All right, welcome back to this section, which is talking about branding, LinkedIn branding 101. That is what we are talking about today. And in this particular video, we are going to be looking at how to be able to optimize your LinkedIn. How to optimize your LinkedIn. We are going to be looking at in terms of your name, your picture, your profile picture, your banner, your headline, about me section, your recommendation section, your featured section, the skills, experience, education, licenses, or certificates. We are going to be looking at all of this. So, what I wanted to have at the back of your mind is just like in the first video, we talked about how up to 40 times, it takes up to like 40 times people that take their LinkedIn optimization or LinkedIn profile optimization seriously have 40 times more advantage over every other person in terms of getting a job, getting gigs, getting opportunities on LinkedIn. So you must take this very, very seriously. And I want you to understand that people still judge a book by its cover. And it is your LinkedIn profile that is going to speak for you when you are not there. When the recruiters are trying to look for people to recruit, um, it is your LinkedIn profile that is going to speak for you. Before they reach out to you, they are going to check your profile first. Do you understand? So I'm going to be going straight into, I'm going to stop sharing now. I'm going to take you to my LinkedIn page so that I can be able to take you through how you can be able to look at work with all of these things. Practically is a very practical section. So we are going to be looking at all of that right away. Right. Okay. Okay. So let me just share my screen back again. All right. Just give me a minute and I'm going to share my screen right away. Okay, so I'm hoping you are able to see my screen right now, right? So, okay, I am sure you are able to see my screen now. So I'm going to be taking you to my page, my own home page, or my profile page, sorry, my profile page so that you can be able to see. Can you see? This is the banner. This is LinkedIn banner. This is banner. And this is your profile picture. Okay, I'm going to be telling you how to go about it, so don't worry about that. This is your uh what do they call it now? Your profile section, right? This is your profile section. Um, okay. And this is analytics to show you what is going on with your posts, or how people are interacting with your page. Do you understand? That is where you're going to get all that information from. And this is the About Me section. And is this pencil here? In every section, there will always be a pencil by the right hand side, and that is what you're going to use to adjust or to be able to change whatever it is you want to change in each section. This is the one for the banner. And this is the one for the profile uh, section. Um, your analytics, you just click on this show all analytics and you'll be able to study your analytics. This is the about me. This is what you're going to use to change your about me section, right? And this is the featured section. And this is what you're going to use as well to adjust your featured section. And for you to add any, these are your posts. These are your posts, and this is the experience section. This is the pencil you're going to use to adjust your experience section. This is the education section. You're going to use this pencil to adjust your education section as well. And this is licensing and certificates. You can see the pencil there as well. Right. So volunteering skills, recommendations, and all of that is right there. Okay, so let's start from the banner. Let me take you quickly to Canva so that you can be able to know how to be able to create um, your banner, right? So I'll stop sharing now. All right, so what you need to do to Okay, sorry, give me a minute. I'm trying to increase the volume. Hear me properly. Right, so what you need to do is to go on Canva, right? You go on Canva and you type banner, still loading. So you can see these are some of the banners already used in the past, with LinkedIn and YouTube banner, right? Okay. Sorry, I meant to type LinkedIn banner, not just banner. LinkedIn banner, and it's going to take you right to different banners. And you just click on any one and you start working on it, just like that, right? And I'm hoping that you already have a brand color that you can be able to use. So you just be able to adjust appropriately with your picture, your name, and your brand color as well. So let me use this one. Let me use this one as an example. Right. So you just click on customize this template. So you click on the picture. Can you see? You click on the picture and it will, okay. I'm not so used to the desktop. I'm used to doing it with my phone, right? So you come here and you click on uploads. Uploads. If you don't have any picture uploaded on Canva already, you just click on upload files. I already have some pictures uploaded on Canva, so I'm just going to use one of it, right? So this is it. Right. There we go. I'm going to change this name. And if you still are not satisfied with your results, make sure you get a professional graphics designer. It is worth it. You pay them to be able to help you to optimize your LinkedIn profile. So it is worth it because that is like your CV on LinkedIn. So make sure that you do it properly so that you can be able to attract opportunities. It is very, very important. So I'm just going to use this. This particular one might not be so good for LinkedIn. Why did I say that? Because this particular side, this left side, that's where all these things are written, is where your profile picture on LinkedIn is going to be. So at the end of the day, when you upload it there, it is going to be showing only your name, right? So I need to change it, right? I need to change that. I need to change it so I don't waste. But let me just show you because I'm not going to be changing it anyway. Let me just show you how to be able to edit anyone. Whatever you learn from this one, you are going to be using it to edit any other one. Do you understand? So let me just write personal brand coach. Personal brand coach. Right. And you're going to adjust every other information here as well, just like I've adjusted this one now. So you can be able to, so you can change your color. My color, I'm going to change it to my brand color. So you can see it has changed. There's a reflection here of purple. You can see that. So you can remove that, or you can change it to a different reflection. Do you understand? Okay, I think, okay, right. The reflection, you can see the colors of the reflection here. So I can literally change that. Right. So I'm going to change that one to yellow because my brand color is red and yellow, or wine and yellow. I'll change that to red and change this also to red. So you can see that that's changed. I'm going to change this as well to yellow, red, and red as well. So you can see this is it. So what you just need to do is to click on share here and you download. You click on download and you download. That is just it. That is it. So you download it either on your laptop or on your desktop or your phone. Do you understand? Then you now need to go back to your profile, your LinkedIn profile, which we are going to go there right away again. Stop sharing. Let me stop sharing so that I can share my LinkedIn page. LinkedIn profile picture with you, profile page, sorry, with you again, just like I did earlier. All right, so this is it. Okay. All right, so this is my profile page. Right, so what you need to do to change this your banner now is to click on this pencil right here. What happened? Okay, I think I went to click on the jobs mistakenly. Okay, so you click on this pencil here. Let me click on it so that you can be able to see it firsthand. It's rolling, rolling, rolling. Let's see. Just be patient. Right. Let's wait a bit for it to show. Right, so you can see it now. So what you need to click is you click on change photo. Can you see change photo here? You click on change photo and it will take you to so you can see now. So assuming I downloaded that particular banner that we did, it is going to be showing here. So I'll just click on it and change the banner right away. That is all that you need to do. And when it's as shown here, you just click on apply. So that's it. That's it for your banner. Make sure you do this. Please, I beg you, make sure you do this. Also, your profile picture. What you need to be able to change your profile picture is to click on it and click on add photo. When you click on add photo, you upload your photo. You can see you upload your photo, whatever photo that you want to use, you upload it. Make sure it's a professional photo. Make sure it's a professional picture. You don't want the wrong things advertising you when you are not there. You need to put your best foot forward. So if you need to go to the studio to get a good picture, please do that. But you can still use just your phone, dress properly, face the camera, click on it, take a picture, excuse me, take a picture, and you'd change the background of the picture I think I'll do a different video entirely to be able to show you how to be able to do that, right? So to change your profile or this section, they call it the headline. They call it the headline. For you to change your headline, you can see here, you just click here and you change whatever information you want to change here. Do you understand? You just click on it and you change it. That's all. To change your name as well, this is what it is. And one thing I want you to understand, make sure your name is your official name. Make sure your name is your official name. LinkedIn is not like any other social media platform. Make sure your name is your official name. Don't use a pet name. Don't use a name that is not on your ID card. Make sure you are using the same name that is on your CV. Make sure you're using the same name that is your official name on LinkedIn. Please don't use a pet name on LinkedIn. Please and please, I beg you. This is a place where you want to get opportunities and you don't want to belittle that in any way at all. So, you also enter your current position here, your education, you enter it here. Do you understand? Your location, your website. Well, in that website, I put my own Calendly where people can be able to book their strategy call with me. Do you understand? That is what I put there. Because I'm a service provider. Do you understand? But if you want to take people to your website, you just put your website there and take them right away to your website. And if you want to put your WhatsApp there as well, you can put your WhatsApp link there as well. Whatever link you want people to be able to reach you on, make sure you put it right on that link, right? So that is what that is all about this section. Right. So let me just take you through a little bit about your analytics. A little bit about your analytics. Your analytics section is where you can be able to find out what is going on your page, on your post, about your posts so far. Number one thing is LinkedIn works in 7 days. They will give you information about your posts in the last 7 days. Just like today now, they are giving me information about my post in the past 7 days. Can you see here? Post impressions past 7 days. So my post impression for the past 7 days is 7,561. And the number of followers I have generally it's 6,987 now. We are almost at 7,000 followers. But in the last 7 days, my followership has increased by 3.2%. Do you understand? That is that. And also my profile viewers in the past 90 days is 1,036 people that has checked out my profile in the past 90 days. Also here, search appearances. It means when people are searching anything that has to do with my probably they are looking for anything that has to do with whatever it is that I put on LinkedIn, maybe a personal brand coach, a personal brand strategist, a purpose coach, a social media manager or a brand manager. What else? So many other different things. Maybe as a finance professional. Do you understand? I will definitely appear on those in those searches. So it's telling me that I have appeared 64 different search appearances in the previous week. That is 7 days. Do you understand? So that is all it is about. And the comments I've gotten on my feed for the past 7 days is also 353 comments. Do you understand? So that is all it's about. That is all about your analytics section. So let us just go back and see other section, right? I think I clicked that just now. Okay, right here, yeah. So, okay. So the next section here is your About Me section. Is a place where you just need to pitch yourself. Put your best foot forward. What are the things that you are doing now? What are the things you have helped people to do? What is that is so different and unique about you? Why do people need to work with you? What is interesting about you? You understand? You just put your best foot forward and you'll be able to put all the information. It has a large distance, so you can be able to put enough information there as well. Do you understand? So write everything that you need for them to be able to know about you, that will be able to help to sell you when you are not there. So you can see you have 2,600 words that you can be able to write. So you make sure that you put your best foot forward. Right. So the featured section, how can you be able to? You can either click this plus to add to your featured section, or whatever page, whatever post that you make, you can put any post you want people to see, because LinkedIn is not like other platform that you can see everything people are posted, like Instagram. You can see everything people are posted at a glance. LinkedIn is not like that. So whatever you want people to see, to know about you whenever they come to your page, is what you should put in your featured section. Did you win an award? Make sure you put it in your featured section. Did you get what do they call it now? Did you get reviews or feedback from people that you have helped? Make sure you put it in your featured section. Whatever it is that would be able to position you rightly in whenever people come to your page first and they are trying to know about you, is what you should put in your featured section. So just like this post now, if I want to put this particular post in my featured section, all I need to click is that three dots there. I click it and okay. Okay, I think that is a repost. Right, you can see now, you click on those three dots and you see feature on top of profile. Do you understand? So you click it and it will be on your featured section. So that about your featured section. And you can also add to your featured section. You can see I put my LinkedIn branding masterclass there. That is what I want people to know. Me being invited to a speaking engagement. I want people to know I'm a speaker. That is why I put it there. Being a Forbes BLK member, I want people to know that. I want people to also know how to be able to work with me. That is why I put that there as well. The link to my book also is there as well. The link to my coaching, my coaching, this thing is also there. Right. So you can use this plus sign, or to put a link. You can see add a post, add a newsletter, add an article, add a link, add media. Do you understand? So that is what you can use the plus sign to do. Also, the experience section is just for you to click this pen here, and you can begin to adjust your experience section, or whatever it is you want people to know about your experience. Make sure you put it there. Make sure, as I always say, put your best foot forward. Put your best foot forward at all time. Right. So that is the same you do for your education section and your licenses and certificates. Probably you volunteered somewhere before as well. Your skills section, make sure you find people to be able um, to endorse your skills. I just added these skills recently. I didn't know I didn't put it. So that is why I don't have so much endorsement on that. But if you check every other skills, I have a lot of endorsements on every other skill. I think network is a bit slow. Right. Okay. So that's it. So I can show you. So make sure that you find people to be able to endorse you on every of your skills. Do you understand? On your skills. Make sure you find people to endorse you on your skills. You can see all these other ones I just added to it. These ones that have been here, you can see 20 endorsements, 23 endorsements, and all of that on those skills. Do you understand? So make sure you find people to endorse you on those skills that you have. It will help you to build your credibility. It will help you to build your credibility as a professional that you are. Also, recommendations. Make sure that if you have clients that you've worked with, make sure you send them, you tell them to give you recommendation. And you can also give other people recommendation as well. If you want people to give you, if you want to receive recommendation, click on this plus sign. Either you want to receive or give, click on this plus sign here, and you can see ask for a recommendation. So if any of your clients is on LinkedIn, you just ask for a recommendation from them by typing out their name and sending them a note or a message for them to give you a recommendation. And also you can also give people recommendation as well. Write a recommendation for people so that they can be able to probably you've worked with somebody, maybe a coach, you can give the person a recommendation as well, or a colleague or anybody that you have worked with a recommendation. Do you understand? So languages as well. And that is all. That is all about your profile optimization. But make sure you pay attention to all of these things that we have talked about today. And that is going to be the end of this particular video. In the next video or the next section of this same session, we are going to be talking about content creation, because content creation on LinkedIn is not like any other platform, and you need to know how it works. So I'm going to be taking you through how content creation works. If not, you are going to struggle a lot on LinkedIn. So make sure that you do all of this, you go to your profile right away and you do the necessary, you do your banner, you do your profile picture, you do your every other section that we have talked about today, and make sure that your profile is ready for opportunities. So when people come to your profile is already selling you already. Do you understand? So that is all for this particular video. See you in the next video. Bye for now. I love you all. Bye. Bye.